Hi friends, and welcome again to my YouTube channel, MALogics. Okay, rather than talking too much, let's start with this math operation instantly to save time. Okay, today we have to solve this math operation, and in this operation we have 7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7, but here is a little twist, which many of us do this wrong, because its answer is not what you are thinking. It's not 0. Friends, whenever you found this type of math operation, remember rule of PEMDAS. Okay, let's move on with its solution. Here we have 1 multiplication and 2 subtractions, right? And according to the rule of PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication and then remaining subtractions, because multiplication has higher priority than subtractions. Understand? Very nice. 7. Next up, 7 times 7 equals 49. And again, minus 7. In next step, 7 minus 49 equals negative 42, and this, negative 7. Okay. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Okay, return to our topic. Now finally, negative 42 minus 7 equals negative 49. This is our final and correct answer for this problem. Friend, hopefully today's lesson wasn't as confusing as Rubik's Cube. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because who needs a calculator when you have got math skills? See you in next video. Till then, take care of you friends, because you are precious pearls in this universe.